All right, so last week Friday we had this analysis which didn't pick, and then I noticed that I observed that why the trade didn't tag us in was because we were refined, didn't keep it simple. So now watch here, you can see that this is where the imbalance started. Let's zoom in. You can see the imbalance started at this week to this point, but then because of refinements, we refined up to this level and we picked from here. But then watch what happened. It's used just there. Let's go to 30 minutes. You can see it's still there in 30 minutes, but I left it. I left that one that started here from the 1 hour to go with this one here. So if we had known that just would stick with the one of with that one and then we'll be in the trade. So but that is that. Though I can still possibly still mark it out. I can still mark it out though. And then let's look at what we have for this week. So okay, sorry. I'll go with the daily. I love starting my analysis from the daily charts, daily time frame. So I'm targeting this high here to clear this high with this move, right? I'm targeting to clear this high. So I marked out the high, and then I noticed something. We have this we have an other block there. We have an other block there. So I'll just back out the other block because price will definitely react to it. Price will react to it. So we'll mark it out to go to the 4 hour time frame. So now from this 4 hour time frame and that other block zone, we can see that there is a breaker block here. It's an order block that failed. It was violated. It was violated. So we are looking at the market making use of that um, violated order block. That's the breaker block now. This time around, we call it the breaker block. We're looking at markets making use of that breaker block for a little retracement before breaking this high here. So I've mapped it out. It's going to be my um, entry for the week. So what the week is starting to tomorrow Monday, but obviously the market will open today by 10. So we're looking at that, and I'll head over to the 1 hour time frame for a little bit of refining. Okay, we can clearly see that the breaker block is still there on the 1 hour time frame. It's still there. So head over to a chart there, 1 hour time frame, and then where are we looking at for this little reaction to give us that break? We already have a break of structure here, a little bit of structure here. Well, then notice that the market didn't come back to this structure here. It didn't come back here at all. Well, then in as much as the market didn't come back into that structure, we still have an imbalance there from this low. You can see there's an imbalance, a clear imbalance, which I'm going to be looking at. I wouldn't go lower here because I'm not 100% sure the market will get to that level again before it breaks the structure above. So we'll just set our sell position to where this will be my exit. Well, then I still feel this stop loss is too much for me, so I'll still refine. I love refining, so sorry about that. I'll still refine. This is the 30 minutes, right? 30 minutes time frame. Let's check if that breaker block is still there. It's still there. The breaker is still there. It's still there. Let me go to the 15 minutes. So this is the 15 minutes. We are going to see that it's still there. Series of down comes. So we're going to leave it with that of the 30 minutes time frame. We'll leave it. We'll leave it on the 30 minutes time frame and switch to 1 hour. So we're going to leave it there, and then that will be that will be uh, my final targets. So what I'm expecting from the market is a reaction like this. Get something like this towards here. Break and give us and then give us a push to the upside. That's what I'm looking at structurally, but whatever the market gives up tomorrow, I will take it that way. But this is what I'm looking at for tomorrow, GBP USD. So I still remain King Uzo.